Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm your boy Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, and today I want to be doing a critical review on one of these clip-on lenses. They're supposed to be making your camera look better, look wider, look faster, stronger, more alive, but do they really? I've bought several of these, and never have I really found a time when I was rushing to use it. I remember trying it once or twice and thinking it was a bit of a novelty, but that's it. And anyways, if the Apple company could put, better Dollarama tech onto your phone to begin with, they would have found a way probably, or they would have found a way to put it on and then charge a premium for it. Let's face it. Anyways, today we're going to be trying this on Pixel. Let's give it a shot, ladies and gentlemen. Now, first off, whenever you have one of these, the big drawback is you have to not have a case on your phone, or else it's going to hurt the image. When I tested this originally, I had a case on my phone, so I couldn't consider it proper. So I'm just going to line this up. I'm not even going to press pause so that you guys can see exactly how it looks. I'm going to try to do this nicely. And by the time I'm done, if this works, I should be able to have that on there, and you shouldn't be able to tell that there's any change in quality at all. Okay, so I'm noticing imperfections in along here. I'll try to make up for that. I don't think that there's any way that I can make up for that. Let's see. No, it's just the autofocus. Okay, so it gives the camera a lot to focus on if you put one of these on when it comes to near things. So here I'm going to be tapping on the Shark-Tacon in the middle. That's what we get. And coming in on the picture. It kind of seems like when you put one of these clips on, you don't get the full range of your autofocus has a harder time dealing with the entire thing and can't focus in on everything all at the same time. But you definitely get a wider range. Let's go outside and see what it looks like out there. Okay, we're outside my beautiful clean lawn, and we got the clip on. So get a good view and take it off. So that's without. And I'll hit the autofocus again. Okay, good. Get a good image because I'm about to flip it. Okay, so it definitely can expand the image, but the quality isn't going to be there so much because the autofocus has such a difficult time. Okay, let's try the same thing back here. You definitely lose space, but what you see is really good. I don't recommend getting one of these unless you don't mind getting some blurry spots, or you have a super advanced phone that somehow it's a feature that takes care of that kind of a thing. However, at the same time, if you wanted to get a particular shot where you just automatically blur a certain thing based on what the light was like, perhaps this would be your thing. Perhaps if you have an artistic edge, you might be able to use that to make some interesting photography without having to throw Photoshop at your cell phone. It's interesting. I could definitely see why Apple wouldn't put something like this on their phone, because look how big that is. My phone is thicker than that. My phone is definitely thicker than that. If Apple was too scared to put a 3.5 or even a 2.5 headset on their latest units, there is no way that they would leave like some kind of a telescoping lens on their unit. Still, one day it would be really nice to have a phone that had an optical zoom and not just a digital one. Digital zooms are not very good. Not really acceptable. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. If you like this stuff, always appreciated. And as usual, folks, take care of each other.